Farhan actor and Ritesh Sidhwani's Excel Entertainment takes on a new rhythm, joining forces as producers for Saba Azad's Enchanting, Songs of Paradise. Breaking news. Excel Entertainment, headed by Farhan actor and Ritesh Sidhwani, has taken the reins as the producer for the Kashmiri music film, Songs of Paradise, starring the talented actress Saba Azad and directed by the visionary Danish Renzu. In a statement to Variety, Sidhwani and actor said, "We are honored to bring Songs of Paradise to audiences. This film is a testament to our commitment to storytelling that transcends boundaries. We continue to strive for narratives that resonate, inspire and celebrate the human spirit." Danish Renzu, the director of the mesmerizing Songs of Paradise, expressed, "Bringing Songs of Paradise to life was a dream realized, shedding light on Kashmir's hidden poetic treasures and unheard melodies." The film draws inspiration from the indomitable spirit of Raj Begum, a legendary singer who defied limitations during an era when women faced restricted rights. Despite challenges like scarce opportunities, limited technology, and inadequate studios, it's truly heartening to portray a woman determined to catalyze change and leave an enduring mark on Kashmir's musical legacy. He added, "With Excel on board, it's an honor to have brilliant producers like Farhan actor and Ritesh Sidhwani to take this film forward and present it to the worldwide audience." As per the report, the film is set against the backdrop of Kashmir, and portrays the tale of Radio Kashmir's pioneering songstress. Delving into the resonant melodies inspired by Raj Begum 1927-2016, the film delves into her ascent as the first female vocalist in a patriarchal era. It amplifies the struggles and triumphs of women grappling with constrained rights. The film also stars Soni Razdan, Zain Khan Durrani, Tariq Raina, Shiba Chadha, Shashir Sharma and Lilet Dubey. Currently in post-production, the film is being produced by Farhan actor, Ritesh Sidhwani, Shafat Qazi, Danish Renzu and Kasam Jagmagia. If this information knowledgeable for you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired. One more thing, I wanna discuss with my F3, please comment regarding your all queries and topics on which you want videos on your favorite topics, as you know I'm here for my fans and my fans are on the top of it.